In this video, I'll show you how to draw a portrait by using Loomis Method step by step. Start by drawing a simple circle. This forms the cranium. Draw a horizontal line in the circle to place the eyebrows. Draw another horizontal line in the circle to place the eyes. Draw another horizontal line in the circle to place the nose. Draw the top half for the upper lip and the bottom half for the lower lip. Use the nose base line to define the bottom of the nose. Then slice off the sides of the circle to create the flat sides of the head. Refine the cheeks by softening the sides of the face below the cheekbones. The eyes are placed on the brow line. Place the eyebrows along the brow line just above the eyes. Sketch the almond shape of the eyes. The neck begins just below the ears and angles slightly inward. Now gently erase any construction lines that are no longer needed. Block in the general hair shape. Think of it as a mass, not individual strands. Define volume first, then lay strands loosely for texture. Eyebrows generally start in line with the inner corners of the eyes and end slightly beyond the outer corners. Add the upper eyelids, lower lashes, and pupils. Lightly shade the irises to give depth. If you are enjoying the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Pay attention to light and shadow. Add subtle shading under the tip and around the nostrils to make it three-dimensional. Begin shading by identifying your light source. Use soft shadows to define the planes of the face, under the nose, around the eyes, beneath the lips. and under the chin. Use cross-hatching or soft blending to build up tone gradually. Begin shaping the lips with soft shading. Darken the line between the upper and lower lip. Then gently shade under the bottom lip to create depth and volume. Keep highlights clean, especially on the forehead, nose bridge, and cheeks. Shade the neck with deeper tones under the chin and along the neck muscles and softly blend the shadows across the shoulders. For the hair, block in dark areas first, then layer directional strokes to create flow and volume. Vary your pencil pressure to add depth and highlights. Leave the lighter areas for natural highlights. Say light strokes that follow the natural direction of hair growth, upward near the center, then arching and tapering outward. Darken areas like under the jawline, the corners of the eyes, beneath the nose, and under the lower lip. Add soft shadows around the eyes. Now add final shadows to deepen the contrast. In the hair, strengthen the darkest sections, between strands, and where where the hair meets the scalp to create volume and depth. Use soft blending to smooth transitions while keeping key highlights clean. Next, add small dots or freckles under the eyes and across the nose bridge to bring life and texture to the skin. Keep them subtle and varied in size for a natural look. And that's how you draw a portrait using the Loomis method, from basic construction to detailed features and final shading. With practice and patience, this technique helps you build strong, accurate faces every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tutorials.